I'm Linda Mumma with the Stanislaus County Office of Emergency Services. While the state and county stay-at-home orders are still in place and non-essential businesses are still closed, the county did lift some restrictions. Here's a look at what's changing as of Friday, April 24th.
Thank you for calling Creekside Golf Course. Laurie speaking. How can I help you?
Phones are ringing off the hook at places like Creekside Golf Course in Modesto after the county made some revisions to its public health order to allow families to participate in more outdoor activities during the COVID-19 pandemic.
A lot of our regular golfers, this is their exercise. So we're excited to be able to give that back to them.
When golfers arrive at the clubhouse, they'll notice some major changes.
It's walking only, maximum number of 2 players per group. There's no walk-ons. You need to either call the pro shops or book online.
Golf carts aren't allowed, rental clubs aren't available, and the cups have been removed from the holes to prevent people from reaching inside to retrieve their golf ball. But that's not all.
We're not accepting cash. Our food and beverage is going to be limited, so we'll have bottled and canned drinks and packaged snacks.
The range will remain closed. The staff operating the 18-hole course will wear masks and gloves, and the entrance will be taped off to keep people from gathering inside.
Access to the building is going to be limited. You're going to be routed in and out in a certain direction. We want to stay open, and we need everybody to work with us and follow the procedures so that we can stay open.
The county is also reopening parks, dog parks, and playgrounds.
Our public parks, they're not being disinfected, so please use the playgrounds with caution.
The changes will allow families who live together to play sports like pickleball, tennis, and volleyball.
When people are using our parks, they really need to make sure that they're still using proper social distancing. Only participate in activities with people from the house they actually live in. Not to use shared equipment. If they're going to play basketball or football or anything like that, to only do so from people from their own home.
Reservoirs will remain closed for at least a couple more weeks until the sheriff's office can adequately staff them. The community parks with fishing access are open.
Basso Bridge is open, Fox Grove, Laird Park, Las Palmas, Riverdale, and Shiloh are all open. The Turlock Lake State Recreation Area near LaGrange is open for walk-ins, but no boat launching as of now.
And with the exception of that park, families are welcome to use boats and other watercrafts.
Excited?
Yeah, it should be fun.
Archery and shooting ranges are also open, and automated and self-serve car washes like this one can operate because they employ a small number of workers and customers can remain in their cars. But one of the biggest changes will be to drive-in church services.
It's a way to connect that the people haven't been able to connect before.
Which will allow places of worship like the Assembly of God Church in Waterford to set up a stage out front and share its Sunday sermon with parishioners parked in their cars.
We just set it up right on the edge of the grass and gives us just a little bit of elevation so we have a little better line of sight. We're just using some loudspeakers we just set up out here and so everybody in the cars will just be listening on the loudspeakers.
An opportunity to get families temporarily out of the house after more than a month of being inside.
You know, some people think that it's not enough and some people think it goes too far. And I think we're just doing the best with the science that we have in front of us and are trying to make the best decisions possible for large swaths of people and not individuals.
Now, the state's stay-at-home order does allow for parks to be open and leaves it up to individual cities and counties to make that determination.